Would you like to earn approximately $9,471 a month by producing these videos? Well, the owner of this channel did exactly that by producing high-quality videos in this style. Today, I will explain the logic of creating these contents to you and also show you by creating a sample video. Our first step is to enter Claude to get the image and video prompt. After entering Claude, I apply the customization process with my request to edit the variables of the master prompt that I specially prepared for you, and I send the request to create my prompt. At this stage, you can easily customize the variables in the prompt in your own style yourself, or with the help of an artificial intelligence. You can find this master prompt that I prepared for you and the details in the master prompts room of our Telegram group at the link in the description section of the video. Because we will be making a scene transition video in this content, I requested 2 image prompts and 1 video conversion prompt for you in my prompt. In the production stage, first, we copy the first image prompt we generated and go to the OpenArt site. On the OpenArt site, to create my image, I find and click the Create Image tool. And first, I select our image generation model as the Nano Banana 2 model. Then, I paste the prompt I copied into the image generation prompt section. Afterward, finally, I adjust my output settings to be 9:16 vertical format and 1K resolution and press the Create Image button. I check the image I created, and if it is as I want, I save it. Afterward, to create our second image, I click on the Edit Image tool and drag and drop the first image I created into the Image Upload section in the opened area. To get its prompt, I return to Claude, copy my second image prompt, then come back to OpenArt again and paste my image prompt in the prompt section. With the model being Nano Banana 2 again, I click the Generate button and we create our second ending scene image. In the same way, after examining and approving this image, we download it and now move on to the video production stage. At this stage, first, we select the Frame to Video tool and add our first image to the start frame and the second image we produced to the end frame in the interface that comes up. Afterward, I choose the Kling 3.0 model as the video model, and to get my video prompt, I return to Claude again and copy the video prompt I produced. I return to OpenArt again and paste my copied prompt into the prompt section. After minor spacing and adjustments, finally, after making sure the audio setting is on, I adjust my output settings to 7 seconds of video duration and 720 PullKey video quality and click the Create Video button. In all processes, you can prefer more affordable or higher quality models according to your budget and output requests. Of course, as the most important detail, do not forget that your main goal is to produce quality videos by being as original as possible and adding value to the content in these types of faceless contents. Otherwise, you may face the closure of your monetization feature. The final result of our produced video will look something like this. To improve your content production and editing skills, you can join our free communities via the link in the description. There, you can chat with like-minded people and support us on our journey to build the largest global content creation community. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like the video, share your suggestions and requests in the comments, and subscribe to the channel.